Transforming your high-action sports, street skating, snowboarding runs, or motorcycle commutes into safe, impact-protected experiences without wearing bulky, restrictive exterior gear usually means transitioning to a streamlined, multi-sport armored base layer. The BenKen men's and women's professional anti-collision sports shirt, spine, back, and joint protective jacket redefines personal safety equipment by combining high-density shock-absorbing armor, flexible moisture-wicking textiles, and a low-profile fit design to wear seamlessly under your favorite outerwear. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its ergonomic integration of high-impact 3H high-density foam and shockproof padding distributed across critical crash zones. Instead of struggling with rigid traditional motocross chest plates or generic padding that shifts out of place during a fall, this system features thick, impact-resistant protection specifically contoured along the back, spine, shoulders, and elbows to absorb punishing blows while maintaining total freedom of movement. Performance and everyday versatility streamline action-packed sessions whether you are carving down snowy halfpipes, navigating concrete skate parks, or riding a motorcycle. Outfitted with breathable, skin-friendly licorice stretch fabric, the shirt conforms closely to your body shape to keep you cool in the summer and warm as a base layer in the winter. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by detachable shoulder and elbow pads for easy washing and customizable layering, a durable front zipper, and a versatile unisex design that handles high-velocity impacts across multiple extreme disciplines. Things to consider before you buy impact versus abrasion protection. While this armored shirt excels at absorbing heavy blunt force impacts and protecting your spine and joints from falls, it is constructed primarily of flexible fabric and foam. For high-speed highway asphalt sliding, it should ideally be paired with a dedicated abrasion-resistant outer jacket. Targeted padding coverage. The back, spine, and joint guards offer thick, robust defense, whereas the front chest and rib panels utilize lighter padding, prioritizing mobility and ventilation over heavy-duty front torso armor. So, who is this really for? This professional anti-collision shirt is an absolute home run for skateboarders, snowboarders, cyclists, and motorcycle or e-bike riders who want reliable spine and joint impact protection hidden under regular clothes or a jersey. If you are looking for a heavy exterior leather motorcycle jacket built explicitly to withstand high-speed road friction, or a minimalist casual hoodie with zero internal armor, an alternative style of riding gear will better match your needs. Is it worth the money? If you value high-density spine and back protection, flexible moisture-wicking comfort, removable joint pads, and a versatile multi-sport design that keeps you safe during high-risk tricks and commutes, it is a premier, cost-effective investment for your athletic safety toolkit.